In this video, I'll be showing you how you can remove Meta AI or disable Meta AI in your WhatsApp application. So the first step that you have to do is just simply head into your home screen until you find your WhatsApp application. So I want you to hold this down and then access the app information. Here you have to clear your data or clear the cache itself. So how to do that? Click the storage here and then click the cache. Click the clear data and clear cache. Now select here the back button and then let's head back to our WhatsApp. Now as you can see, the Meta AI is still there. So you just need to click this three-dotted icon and head to settings. Now you have to scroll a little until you see the privacy. So let's head back and then click the chats. So scroll a little until you see chat history. So click the delete all chats and then delete chats. Now let's head back to our WhatsApp, and as you can see, we just disabled Meta AI, and that's how you can disable Meta AI or remove Meta AI in your WhatsApp application. And thank you for listening.